afternoon, and good evening wherever you find yourself on the globe. This is another exciting episode from Flaggy Age, where we talk about plants, medicines, and flowers and pots. Today we're bringing you what we call the alligator pepper. This amazing spice is known for its culinary purposes and also its medicinal and therapeutic. In some countries, they call it the mbongo spice, some call it the green of paradise, Africa, kakulisi, Guinea pepper. In Ghana, the others call it atako. The Akan call it efomresa and the Gas call it riechulu. So if you've heard any of those names before, yes, then that is what I'm going to talk about. It is an amazing spice that we use in our kitchen most of the time for our cooking, for our seasoning, and for our sauces. But do you also know that this spice actually has benefits that are good for our health? It comes in the form of a pod. And within that pod, there are these seeds that we are talking about. It is very rich in antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory properties and it aids digestion and also has got antimicrobial properties. For our men out there, this is a strong aphrodisiac for you because it has got aphrodisiac properties as well. It has antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and antioxidant properties. The spice tastes sharp because it's in the family of the ginger, and it makes your meals, fish and meat, taste wonderful when you add them to it. It is rich in antioxidant, and its inflammatory and microbial properties makes it very good in treating arthritis. So if you have arthritis, all you need to do is make poultice of it and apply it to the affected area and work with it for some time. Then your pain is going to ease. If you want to treat gastrointestinal disorders, all you have to do is to snack on few seeds or make some tea out of it and drink it. For the skin-related issues, what you need to do is to just make a poultice and apply it to affected diseases such as measles, chickenpox, and smallpox in order to get it cured. If you also have a fever, all you need to do is to brew some into tea and sip on it time to time. This will help cure the fever that you have. This atako, riechulu, or efomresa have analgesic property when it comes into contact with aqueous solutions. Based on this, it is used in many industries in creating things that alleviate pain related to the teeth, joints, and other rheumatical issues. Some of the chemicals that are found in there are flavonoids. There are actually tannins also found there. Alkaloids are also found there. And then we have phenolic compounds, which are also found in this atako. The benefits are enormous. So when you come across this spice on the market, make it your friend because it adds a lot of taste to your meals and it also heals your body from diseases and pain. Let's have a recap. So if you have arthritis, this is your friend. If you have fever, it is your friend. If you have any form of skin blemishes like measles, chickenpox, smallpox, for your kids, you can make this your friend. If you're a man out there and you are low libido, it is aphrodisiac for you. If you want to get yourself out of anxiety or stress, this is also a friend for you. Get it where you go on the market and use them in your home. If you love what you heard and love what you saw in the videos, please give us thumbs up and also share our videos for others to come and learn from it. I really hope to see you watching our video next time and leaving comments for us and questions that you wish to be answered, and we would get back to you in no time. My name is Ninye and thanks for watching Flaggy Age today. We love you all and have a pleasant day out there wherever you are. Bye-bye.